Adventure riding takes me away from the ordinary to the land of the extraordinary. I guess it makes me feel free. It makes me feel special and unique. It makes me feel like me. This journey today takes me to the factory, to where the Ténéré 700 is being produced, and it's at the end of the production line, and it's going to be handed to me so I can start my journey. It's a tremendous feeling, and it's such an unusual experience. It's very exciting. I can't really wait. Collecting a new bike for me is very important. It's like a way of being. It's not just a new bike, it's what it does for me. It allows me to cross countries and continents. It allows me to go around the world. It's like a time machine. It just takes me into a different place. The route is going to follow as closely as I can, the 1998 Paris-Dakar route, which will leave from Versailles, south of Paris, and head south towards Narbonne. And I think really touching on that route wherever I can touches a sense of history, a sense of tradition, which Yamaha is known for. I'm excited to make this trip with the Ténéré 700 because it's got this amazing dual-purpose capability, which I've never known before. So I can be riding on the tarmac, and that's great, but all of a sudden I'll see a section of off-road, and I can do that as well. It's incredible.